Hey, welcome to MVT.
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh, MVT. But I don't care.
Did you watch it?
Yeah, it was pretty good, man.
Just because, especially the beginning, you guys were in it.
Time the camera's on, right? It's like freezing up in front of it.
Yeah. Why is that?
You know?
Yeah.
I mean, just metaphorically.
Dude, why do you just keep stopping every time I shoot this at you? Okay. Mr. Young, do you want to start a film about a super awesome teacher?
No.
Oh, dang it. Where at? Oh, God. Hey, Lamau. Lamau? LMAO?
LMFAO.
No.
You can't because you don't have an F.
Maddie.
Daniel!
How's that neck, boy?
Dude, my neck hurts so much right now. I'm not even joking. It hurts.
Does it hurt more than when you broke your legs?
No.
Oh.
It just feels so stiff. Why are you videotaping me?
Because, dude, I need vlog footage. Can you tell the camera what's the matter right now?
I'm vlogging for Danny, apparently. Yeah.
Let's go on an adventure.
Yeah, are we going to the Sahara Desert?
Also known as my phone.
Okay, because it's dry. I get it. Ha ha ha. Your neck snapped. Your neck actually snapped.
Dude, my neck hurts so much.
What are we doing today, Danny?
I don't know, because I don't know. What are you starting?
Harambe cult.
What are you guys doing in this cult? You haven't decided yet? All right, I don't want to join it. Sounds like garbage. Just like my vlogs, man. They're garbage. Do you want to fight?
Yes, I do.
I will catch you outside in the parking lot. Let's go.
How about that?
How about that? Yeah, that's right.
I can't move my neck right
Hell yeah. The man, the myth, the legend.
That's all I needed.
Welcome to MTV Cribs. This is my house. Check it out. It's the most coolest cribs any person can ever have. Look at this perfect circumference of space and
What do you do in this house? Do you do everything?
yes.
How do you do your daily chores?
I climb up there.
What's up there?
It's being built right now, but
So that means it's not done.
this is still my house though. So.
We found a wild thing. Let's approach it. An endangered species. What do you do?
I bend it over.
There you have it, folks. He doesn't do anything.
Bet you won't.
$5?
No.
I'm not gonna.
You owe me
That's
$5.
not $5 worth.
Yeah, that's
Bro, I'd do
like
that
2
for
cents.
free. I'd do it for free.
I need some water for
Alright, you don't have to do the whole thing. Just a second.
That's what she said.
All right.
For the tree loving.
For the vlog.
For the vlog, do it all.
No! You're gonna swallow it?
He's chewing hard as hell. And I think the one lady.
Right. He's gonna puke. Dude, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Hi.
Is he gonna walk?
Blink
You wanna be a
twice if
vlogger?
you need help. Okay,
Ah! What are you doing? Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, blink twice if that's a lie.
You're a professional.
Blink once
guy is
if you need help.
Yo.
Do you need help?
Of course I do.
Okay. So go ask for help.
Careful with the angle of this. Here in the wild, you see a wild Maddie interacting with a GatorDan's. They're also known to be very predatory. Oh, look at that. That's a Christian. Those are rare to find in the wild. Oh no, I think he sees us. Oh no, can he get us?
What does that mouth do?
Oh,
Oh. What does that mouth do?
What?
What does that mouth do?
talk.
Oh my god. No, you need to do it like the Salt Bay.
You guys are disturbing.
Christian,
Hi.
how you doing, Matt?
I do the very good math.
Is your mom a tiger mom?
Yes, my mom is Asian tiger.
Good day to you now. How about you? Do you get straight A in math?
Sorry, what? I can give you permission to use my camera, you scrub lord.
Give me your name, address, and the place you work.
I want to be on video.
Take the L.
It wasn't for the stupid cow. It wasn't for the stupid cow. This whole thing wouldn't be happening.
Hey, I stole the vlog.
What is the best thing you did today?
Your mom.
Oh, wow.
You're gonna die. Peace out, hombres.
Oh, it's so close. One more time, one more time.
Oh shit, I need to edit.